guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another human hair wig review for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by WOWAFRICAN. So if you want to see how I got this look together, it was so easy. If you want to see how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing for you guys, as well as just read you the specs while you guys watch me unbox this wig. So this is the WOWAFRICAN Curly HD Lace 9x6 Pre-Everything Wear and Go Glueless Wig. It is 22 inches. The density is 250%. And the cap construction, as I said, is a 9x6 glueless S cap. So it's a pre-everything wig, and if you don't know what that is, it has pre-cut lace, it has a plucked hairline, and it already has bleached knots. So it has the real HD lace. It has one type of lace that matches all skin tones. It's upgraded with the tiny knots and clean bleaching. And it mimics the forehead, so it contoured to the shape of your forehead. And it says that no glue is needed. So I do have some coupon codes for you guys. And I'll link those in the description box. Hopefully I can wear this glueless because I love doing that. And I noticed with the cap construction, you do have the silicone kind of grip situation at the nape. And you also have a drawstring with this wig. And you have two combs on the right and left side, and they're both removable. You have that ear contour with the side of the wig. You have a larger comb that's also removable in the back. I have my natural hair molded down because even though my natural hair is short, if I just put a wig cap on top of it, it's going to be humpy. So I had to mold it down with some gel and a blow dryer. I mean, it's not even on all the way right. And it's looking good. But let me make sure my wig cap... See, that's the problem. I gotta make sure I gotta undo my braid in the front. I had this braided down in the front, just this part, in case I wanted to do leave out with my other wigs. So I need that to be flat. So let's put this on. That is just plopped on my head. That is very impressive. Okay. And I do have my foam, my Shea Moisture frizz-free curl mousse on deck. I got a fresh one because this is a lot of curly hair. But this looks good already. And this has been in the pack for maybe like a week or two. And it's still soft. This is gorgeous. So this is what the hairline is looking like with no manipulation or powder added to the part. Now I'm probably going to add some powder just to wake it up and make it look seamless. But this looks really good. I got a feeling that this is going to just be an easy install. So far, the only con I have is that it doesn't come with like a melt band. And if you do want to lay your edges down, your lace down, it doesn't come with a melt band. So what I'm going to do first is just trim back some of this lace. It looks good, but I'm going to trim off just a little bit more, just so it's a little less detectable. But it already looks really good. I love that companies make these wigs more beginner friendly. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my hairline. And then I'm going to adjust the straps in the back. Or the drawstring that's in the back. I'm going to adjust that. Okay, I trimmed back the lace a little bit. So I'm going to add my contour to the lace. And I'm using the Plaudio Build and Blend Foundation in the shade Mocha. And I'm just going to put it on a fluffy brush like this. And I'm going to diffuse it on this styrofoam that came with the wig. And I'm just going to go on top. Okay, this hair is already beautiful as is, so I don't know if I'm gonna add any mousse to it because it's already how I wanted to look. I'm just probably gonna put a little bit of powder in the part, and that's all she wrote. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm super excited because this was so easy. This was so easy, like seriously, so easy. Probably one of the easiest wigs I've tried probably this year. Even with the curls, this wig was in the package probably for like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, week and a half, 2 weeks, and it looks like this. Like it still feels very soft. This is very nice and very easy. So this is a 9x6 glueless wig. So this is a closure style wig, and these days I prefer closure style wigs because I don't really like to, eventually I'm going to cut off the sides anyway, and even if it's a 13x6, I usually like cut off the ear tabs, and this is perfect to have my edges out because I think it makes the wig look more realistic. And it's just an easier install. So I love that this wig is beginner friendly. It's truly beginner friendly and pretty much a plop and go. The only thing I did was I trimmed back the lace just a little bit, and I tinted the lace with my contour, and I added some powder to the part, and I think this looks really good. Not only does it look good on camera, but it looks good outside. So I did a sunlight test for you guys. I went outside. So we have that gazebo back there so I can show you guys what it looks like in direct sunlight, in shade, under the gazebo. So I didn't go super hard with tinting my lace so it would look good outside. So outside it actually looks natural. And I don't have any adhesives, temporary or real glue, and I don't have any foam or anything on my lace. It's just on my head, okay? Nothing is glued down, and it looks really good. You'll see the lace a little bit, of course, because it's a fabric and it's not your skin. But like I always say, there's levels to how clockable your lace is, and I feel like this looks good outside, okay? Yeah, this looks good. I really don't have any cons with this. I think they did a great job with this wig and making it so beginner friendly. I love that it has so many options for security. So you have, you have the comb on the right and left side. You have the longer comb in the back. You have a drawstring to make the wig tighter. So I think all across the board they did a great job with this wig, and it looks very natural. And with a texture like this, you do have versatility because you could, you know, blow it out and flat iron it. But me personally, if I have a curly wig, I just keep it curly. But if you want to get more wear and use out of your wig, you can, you know, blow this out and straighten it and curl it up if you want a different kind of curl, or just wear it in its natural state like this, because I think this is pretty. This is a lot of hair. I'll have the density in the description box for you guys. So keep that in mind. This is a very thick density. So this is probably better suited for the cooler moms, this particular density, but they have different ones for your different taste. But yeah, overall, I think this is very beautiful. Shout out to WOWAFRICAN for sponsoring today's video. If you like this wig, you can head over to their website. I do have some coupon codes for you guys that you can use. They will be in the description box, as well as the direct link to shop this wig. And any products that I use to style this wig or tint the lace, they'll be in the description box as well. Again, shout out to WOWAFRICAN for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.